What to say in the 10-second video for Workaway International and still stand out and get to the point because you're feeling confused. Remember, the most important thing is that you want to know who you are, what you can do, and why you need to be there, right? 3 simple points. Now make sure you are following and make sure to share this with somebody you know has applied or still in the process of applying, and do make sure to tag them in the comment section. Watch until the end because I've got a bonus one where you can actually personalize it so that it fits your personality and you don't sound like everybody else. Okay, so the first one I have is for a receptionist, and you're going to make sure that you hit it hard. You want to be remembered, you want people to engage with you, and you want to stand out. Please don't come with low energy when you are doing this. It's only 10 seconds that you need to prioritize, okay? So, hi, I'm Dee, an organized and friendly receptionist who loves helping guests feel at home. Let's create amazing first impressions together. Okay, make sure you're smiling, guys, please. Okay, so the next one is here. Please make sure to take a screenshot of this and don't forget to save this video. Come back to it as well. So smile, structure, and service, that's my thing. I'm Dee, ready to welcome guests and handle the front desk with ease. Make sure you're smiling. Also, please don't look like me. Make sure you have some makeup on, looking good. If you don't wear makeup, just make sure you're looking vibrant, okay? And for the gents, dress well, okay? And then this is the last one. Please make sure to screenshot. I'm not going to go through all of them, guys, because I have some for the chef as well. Okay, so the next one is for my chef or cook. Here we go. Please do. I'm just going to make myself small, and then you can like take a screenshot of the entire thing. Okay, so this is for the chef or the cook. Remember, make sure you are vibrant and you are speaking out loud and you're enthusiastic and be excited about the whole thing. The next one, let's go to it. So if you have applied or applying for the waitress or waiter position, here we go. Okay, simple, to the point. Let's try one of them. Let's take. Hi there, I'm Dee, a bubbly and reliable server who thrives in fast-paced environments. Let's give guests a great experience. Okay, make sure you have a lot of energy in it. Now for the next one, please make sure you are inputting this into ChatGPT. It is your prompt so that you can stand out and it's more personalized for you. So this is the ChatGPT script that you're going to go and use in ChatGPT. You can even take a screenshot of this and then just make sure you're changing your name and what you're good at, okay? This one is going to be personalized for you and you only. So I'm creating a 10-second introduction video for my Workaway profile. Please generate 5 to 10 short video script ideas that match my personality and skills, and here's some information about me. So name Dee, just an example. Nationality South African. The roles I'm applying for, so it depends on which one you applied for. I would say go for one of them, right? And then my top 3 skills, mention what you're good at. The languages I can speak, that can also go in as a bonus. My personality in a few words. Just give ChatGPT what your personality is and it's going to curate the entire script for you, right? And then what I enjoy about Workaway, then you're going to just mention it, like, for example, cultural exchange, meeting new people, helping others, learning a new skill. And after putting that prompt into ChatGPT, this is what it curated for me, and it is more personalized to me, right? And still, that was just me putting in things that were not about me, but like generic and general things, right? Hi, I'm Dee from South Africa. I love connecting with people and bringing positive energy to every space I work in, right? That is about me, but like, make sure that you are putting in a lot of details about yourself so ChatGPT can curate that and then you're able to get going. And then I have the last one, and this is for a general one. And this is more the all-rounder because I do know some people wanted to apply for more than one position with Workaway International. So if you don't want to like put yourself in a box, right, and you just want the all-rounder, then here we go. Hi, I'm your name. So hi, I'm Dee, experienced in front desk, food service, and kitchen help. A flexible team player ready to jump in when needed. Okay, that basically gives that, okay, I can do pretty much everything. So again, make sure to share this with people who are applying. You want to give them a boost, guys. Please don't gatekeep. It's just like, no, we don't need to do that. And again, don't forget to follow and make sure you save this video and tag them in the comment section as well. And don't say I didn't plug you.